In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to embed a YouTube video within Shopify product description. So first of all, you have to be logged into your admin panel, then go to product section and open the desired product. For the purpose of this example, I'm going to be using Carport Light product. So once the product loads, then go to the description section and essentially place a cursor wherever you would like to add a video. So I'll say here, then click on insert video button, and then go to YouTube and open whichever video you want to embed, and then click on share, and then look for embed and simply copy this whole iframe code. Now let's go back to Shopify admin and paste the iframe code with the video link. So now let's click insert video. As you can see, video has been embedded. Now let's click save. And let's click on preview. Let's see how it looks like on the product pages. So as you can see, here's the product and here's my sample video, which I have embedded in the product description. So I hope you found this tutorial useful, and for more Shopify tutorials, please ensure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.